I'm not a lipstick kind of girl. No, I'm a chapstick kind of girl. I don't like doing all those fancy things. Like to go down to the river at night in a big old jacked up four-wheel drive. I like to do all those things that the bad boys do. Go fishing in a river at night, oh, mudding out on a bank. Get a little dirt under my nails, oh, tell me, girls, what do you think? Say that I'm a big tomboy, I just feel like a country girl, and I really don't care what you say. I remember when I was young, riding down an old dirt road, listen to the radio, not a worry on my mind. I'm not saying I've changed, some things just ain't the same. And I can find me an old dirt road wherever I may go. And down on the river banks is where we used to play. Run around barefoot, making pies in the mud. River current can be so strong, and sometimes life moves on. My mind keeps bringing me back to this place.